Hello, and welcome to the Durham Tech Instructional Video Environment, also known as DIVE. My name is Tom Erwin, and I will be your guide through this instructional video series, which covers file systems. Let's review what we hope to learn in this video. We will identify file management systems. We will discuss drive partitions and formatting. And finally, we will see a demo on Windows 7 and 8. File management systems. How does your computer keep track of files that are stored on the hard drive? How does it know where to look for them? It uses file management systems. File management system is simply how the OS organizes and keeps track of data. File management systems commonly follow a hierarchical or tree structure as shown here. Type tree in command prompt to display the directory tree for your current directory. Here's an example on Windows 8. Let's review the two most common types of file systems for Windows: FAT32 or File Allocation Table, and NTFS or New Technology File System. FAT32 is still used today because it is very versatile. It's called FAT because it relies heavily on an index table that catalogs the locations of data clusters. 32 gigabytes is the largest volume that you can use for the FAT32 format. Here's an example of a file allocation table. NTFS is faster, more powerful, and has security features necessary for Active Directory. Windows 8 uses NTFS, however it has been upgraded from Windows 7. It is possible for volumes larger than 2 terabytes to be formatted. Let's take a moment to discuss drive partitions and formatting. Partitioning is virtually splitting the hard drive into multiple drives. As seen here, one hard drive becomes 4. This allows the user to segregate important data from the operating system, and allows for multiple file systems and operating systems to be installed on the same physical hard drive. To partition a drive, you'll need to find Disk Management, shown here under Computer Management. From Disk Management, you can explore partitions, change drive letters, format drives, and create, extend, shrink, or delete volumes. Here's a demonstration on how to find Disk Management in Windows XP and 7. Here we have the Windows 7 desktop. We will use the same steps for Windows XP. Click on the Start button, then right-click on Computer and select Manage. This opens the Computer Management window. From the menu on the left, select Disk Management. From here, we can view each drive and partition, as well as its health status and size. Next, we'll take a more in-depth look at using disk management in Windows 8. To open disk management, start typing disk. Then select Settings from the menu on the right and choose Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. This takes you straight to the disk management utility. Here we can see a healthy 60 GB C partition. To create a new partition, we must shrink our current volume. Simply right-click on the partition and select Shrink Volume. Next, choose how much you wish to shrink the volume in megabytes. Now we have some unallocated or free space to work with. Right-click the free space and select New Simple Volume. Click Next and choose the size of the new partition. Assign the drive a letter. Click Next twice, and then Finish. After a few minutes, you'll have a new volume or partition. Right-click on the new volume and select Format to reformat the drive. Your choices are FAT32 or NTFS. Right-click the new volume and select Properties to rename the volume. Now in Explorer, we can see the drive listed under Computer. Next, I'll show you a different way to get to disk management. From the Start screen, click on Control Panel, then type Admin in the search box. Click on Administrative Tools, and then Computer Management. Just as in XP and 7, select Disk Management from the menu on the left. Now to delete the volume we just created, simply right-click on the partition and select Delete Volume. Click Yes to continue. Now to restore the partition to its original size, right-click the C partition and choose Extend Volume. Follow the wizard as before and click Finish. Now the C drive has been restored to its original state. That concludes our Windows 8 demonstration as well as this video tutorial. Let's review what we learned in this video. We identified file management systems, drive partitions and formatting, and we looked at a demonstration on Windows 7 and 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.